How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Giny Arts. I'm Giny, and today I'm going to attempt to do something completely new to me. I'm gonna try to draw realistic rings. Now, I've never drawn a shiny surfaces before, so this will be quite tricky for me. I cannot make this into a full-on tutorial because I'm still learning, but if you want to tag along, the reference image is in the description, and without wasting any more time, let's get to drawing. To start off, draw the shape of the rings. Make sure that is as close to the reference image as possible. This will be the whole base for your drawing. Now, mark out the reflections on the rings. Take your time with these. I tried to take the easier way out and I kind of regret it. I simplified some of the reflections, so yeah, if you want really good results, don't do it. Then you can add a really light gray background just to make your image pop a bit more. The highlights on the image will make it stand out even more. So yeah, now also make sure that all the blending is done really smoothly and really lightly. Try to do all the blending into the same direction. This will give it more smoothness, and well, rings are shiny, so I think this is a crucial step. So yeah, good luck with drawing it. I hope to see you in the next video. If you like what I upload, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see me draw next. Now, good luck with the drawing, and I hope you enjoyed this video.